Well, good evening and welcome to a special winter weather video from Blindside Weather. You're looking out from my front porch here, and as you can see, we've got about 3/4 of an inch of stuff on the ground. As a matter of fact, we'll step out here, and I'm going to take my ruler. I've already taken a couple of measurements, but we'll stick this down here. And yeah, say we got about between 3/4 and an inch of slushy stuff on the ground here. We're getting, it looks to be primarily freezing rain and sleet, maybe a little bit of snow mixed in here. We got some ice balls, but as you can see, it is falling quite heavily and expected to do so now until probably around about 11 or 12 o'clock tonight. So definitely being out on the roads is not the place to be, or anywhere near any of these trees. I'm going to pan over here just a little bit, and you can see my crabapple tree off to the left here near the garage. My shrubs all coated in the stuff. And we'll pan over here and kind of don't know how well you're going to be able to see the maple tree up here toward the front out near the street here. That's gotten quite well coated. And if you listen closely, I'll stop talking here for just a moment, and you'll hear what sounds like a bowl of Rice Krispies after you poured milk in it. And we've got east winds gusting in at upwards of 25 and 30 miles an hour at times. Not terribly bad at the moment, but I think those wind speeds will come up a little bit this evening as the storm gets a little bit closer. We get into the body of the heaviest precipitation, and we'll have some final totals on this whole thing. It'll probably be tomorrow evening or Friday morning before we get the final count on this whole thing. We actually have a secondary wave that's going to come through here with this, and could bring us some additional light icing or perhaps some rain with a Arctic front that'll be in here later tomorrow evening. So I'll leave you with the sound of the sleet falling and freezing rain, snow mixture. Wait a minute. I thought that was thunder for a second. Then we got cars over on Maple Road. I don't think you can see them. Are cruising along quite quickly, which I don't think is a good idea. So that's it. From lovely Creekside Drive in Swartz Creek, Michigan, from Blindside Weather. And I'll leave you with the Rice Krispie sound of the sleet and freezing rain mixture here. We'll see you later, guys.